and what are the most commonly used operation on string. So string is a data type that is used to store data, and that is in double quotation, whether there is a single character A, B, C, or number 1, 2, 3, 4, or all mean more number like 250, 280, or like series of number at a time, but that must be in double quotation. And if we write something in double quotation in JavaScript, that would be considered as a string. We will define a few examples of string, that how we can use a string, and what are the most commonly used operation that is used with the string. So let's define one string. We'll define string my name, we'll say our name is, we'll define it MB creative programmer, like MB creative programmer. If you are new, so we have uploaded to more than 2 or 3 or 4 videos on data type, that what is data type, how we can declare it, how we can define it. We'll paste link in the description, and if you're new in the channel, please subscribe it. Now come to topic, that what is string. A string is a data type that is used to store sentences, or whether that is used only one M, or that is used to store B, but there must be in double quotations. And if we write console.log, now we'll just take output of this, and we'll then apply some most common operation on it. Now how we can apply some most common operation on, so our name, and our name we will write semicolon. As I told you, it is not necessary that we use semicolon at the end. We'll just we'll try to find output. So MB creative programmer, this is output of this whole entire program. Now we will write some most commonly used example of it. First, we have to write we have to do concatenation. If string can be concatenated with one, or string can be with a number, or string can be concatenated with the next string. So how we can concatenate it? We'll write example of this string concatenation. We will do string concatenation like over. First we will do with numbers. We have to assign it with we'll assign it with something like A. We will assign it with A, and after A we will write our name, and with our name we will assign it MB creative programmer, and we will say that is best. We'll write is best. So is best, and is best we have write as best mean MB creative programmer, and A equals to our, mean this is with the plus symbol, and in the plus symbol we write is best is used, that MB creative programmer is best, and this best is used for concatenation, means string, and this is also considered string because this is value that is stored in this string. So string concatenation, this is all about your string concatenation. String concatenation will write will just find output of this, that A, we will just write A. So the A, we will write A. Now we will take output of this. As I told you, it is not important that we are putting semicolon at the end, or we are not putting, just we will try to find output of this with now come here, and MB creative programmer is the best. So this is all about your string concatenation. You can concatenate number with it too. No, we will write some number like 9090, and we'll just do one thing, that 9090, but this is also considered string, because anything that is in between two quotations, that will be considered string. So now we have to write concatenate this string with the number. It can be concatenated with the number 2, and now just take output. This would be 90. Now if we will do one more try, that if we want to add something with this 90, we'll write something like this. This is also considered. Now this is a concatenation. This is string and this is number. These number are concatenation, but in this, if we check this plus sign, so it is not a concatenation. It would be considered as addition of these two number, and after addition it will be concatenated with this. So MB creator programmer, and this number is being given to you in the console output, so that would be considered your concatenation. Now if you want to find some specific index number of the above string, like we will write a, the same we will write, we'll write one more B, and with B we will write our name, and our name would be like this. So this would be 0, as you better know that indexing is start in from 0. In normal life we start something from 1, but in programming language that is being started from 0. So after, if we run it and here, so we will come here and we will write B here. So what would be given here would be given, here would be given, here would be given M. So M is in the index position, is the index position 0. M is the beginning of this variable. So this is how we can find index number. So what is the what is the advantage of this? We can change this M, and we will write with M we will write, sorry, not, yes, we will do one thing, that equals to we will write, instead of M we will write N, and if we print this again, and so here you can see, you can find N here. And if we again, if we just do one thing, that our name, we print out our name. So our name, so let's see if that is changed or not. MB is changed to, let's see, no, that is not changed, but it has to be changed. Why it is not changed? Anyhow, but there is a way how to, you can change find a specific number and change it. And we can do one thing more. If we assign here like some string value, some character M, so let's see if it is giving us or not, if it is giving us an index position or not. Let's see, we'll just print out B in the console, or just see that is undefined. B is undefined because we did not define. But why it is okay, we'll do this with like this index, how we can find index, and we'll try to find index in this, our name, and we will write just M here, if it is giving us index position or not. Oh, sorry, not with this is not, sorry, yes, come here and print, yes, I did again undefined. Why it is not giving us this? We'll check it if it is being given with this, or this is given with 0 and undefined. 2 times it is giving us undefined, and this time, this time consider error, because it is undefined 2 times. And so this is the way how we can find specific index position. We'll do just one thing more, our name dot index of, and index of we will write M, index of M, we will write index of M. Let's see if it is giving us index of or not. Yes, it is giving index of 0. So mean M is in the index position 0. We will write P in the index position, that what is the index position of P? So that is the index position 11, because we can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and this is in the index position, sorry, not 1, from 0, so it been considered as in the index position 11. But if we mean this something that we define that here is present, m is also present, and r is p is also present, let's write capital O, which is not present in this. That what would be the reaction of the terminal? Just see that how, yes, -1 mean -1 is not present. So if something is not present in the index position, so that is all about if something is not present in the index position or in the string, so it is being not giving. Thank you for watching.